let's first recall how regular
Say
one-track
Anything.
recording is accomplished.
Released 1989, directed by Cameron Crowe.
Can't Hardly Wait.
Released 1998, directed by Deborah Kaplan. Harry Elfont Moore. Can't Hardly Wait. 74 of 252, the funniest 90s movies. 243 of 541, the greatest guilty pleasure movies.
Notting Hill.
Released 1999, directed by Roger Michell Moore. Notting Hill. 47 of 125, the greatest date movies of all time. 94 of 355, the best rainy day movies.
Can't Buy Me Love.
Released 1987, directed by Steve Rashmore. Can't Buy Me Love. 76 of 314, the funniest 80s movies. 56 of 200, the best teen romance movies. 143 of 836, the greatest chick flicks ever made.
My Big Fat Greek Wedding.
Released 2002, directed by Joel Zwick.
The Wedding Singer.
Released 1998, directed by Frank Carside.
You've Got Mail.
Released 1998, directed by Nora Ephron.
27 Dresses.
Released 2008, directed by and Fletcher Moore. 27 Dresses. 669 of 1540, the most rewatchable movies. 37 of 70, the greatest female-led comedy movies. 165 of 315 movies with the best soundtracks.
17 Again.
Released 2009, directed by Steers Moore. 17 Again. 40 of 53, the best coming-of-age movies about boys. 16 of 116, the funniest movies about high school.
One-track recording is accomplished.
Pretty in Pink.
Released 1986, directed by Howard Hughes.
Never Been Kissed.
Released 1999, directed by Roger Snell.
What a Girl Wants.
Released 2003, directed by Denny Gordon.
The Princess Bride.
The Princess Bride.
She's All That.
She's All That.
51st Dates.
51st Dates.
13 Going on 30.
Released 2004, directed by Gary Winnick.
Legally Blonde.
Legally Blonde.
Clueless.
Clueless.
The Princess Diaries.
The Snow Garden, a novel. 7 Things I Hate About You.
Hey guys, thank you so much for your support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video then. Take care. Bye.